So today I'm making turkey broth, and you don't need a recipe. If you finish, if your family has roasted turkey and everything's eaten up and you've taken the meat off the bones, you take that carcass and you put it into a great big large pot, and you just fill that pot with water. And in that pot you put beautiful vegetables like carrots. In this pot I put the turkey carcass, I put 4 onions, I put carrots. Now I usually put celery in here. I didn't have celery, so I put some leftover head of lettuce, some romaine lettuce. So all these beautiful vegetables you put into the broth with the turkey carcass, and you let it simmer. I usually simmer it anywhere between 3 and 4 hours, or sometimes even longer. Sometimes I'll just simmer it all day. It is beautiful, all those gorgeous nutrients going into that broth. Wonderful turkey broth. Why do I love it so much? I always have turkey broth in the freezer or canned because I can use it for soups, I can use it for stews, sauces, gravies. It's always on hand. Or if you just want something comforting, some beautiful turkey broth, heat it up with nothing else and just sip it out of a cup. Beautiful, with all those vitamins and all the vegetables and the turkey. So all you do when you're finished the procedure that I showed you is strain it and just keep the liquid, and away you go. You have your turkey broth, and you have a great day.